when you have grey hairs, they don't tend to take the tint quite as well.
No.
Sometimes they're quite hard to actually colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a bit of the hydrogen peroxide first, because I want that to just help soften the hair, kind of open the cuticles on the hair, and it helps take in the tint a lot better. So this is just the Vaseline. I'm just going to protect your skin around the tinting the hair. Cool, I just want to focus on it. There we are. And that way a little bit more. Cool. So what colour do you normally like to have? Is it like a brown?
Between light and dark.
Mm.
Don't like them too dark, but don't like them too light.
Yep, so a medium brown?
Medium, yes,
yep.
There you go.
Yeah, cool. I've got a medium brown, so we'll do that. Medium brown literally I kind of like it because you can put it on, take it off within like a minute, see if you like the shade. If you don't, put some more on.
Yeah.
Whereas light brown's only going to tint as much as it's going to tint, you know.
Yeah.
So if you wanted it darker, you've got to then go to a different shade. Whereas medium brown, you can kind of work with how long you have it on for. Put this on here too. So this is the hydrogen peroxide just going on. Going to give it a minute or two, and we're going to see how your tinting goes with that softening all the hairs up. So there's some greys there. And generally, you're quite light anyway, eh?
Yeah, I'm sort of a strawberry blonde anyway. They're quite pale, so.
Yeah. Cool. Right, I'm going to give that a minute or two.
But sadly, they've gone grey.
So whilst that's doing that, I'm just going to mix this medium brown up for you. So I'm going to show that, yeah, mixing it. Cool. So do you have them trimmed as well? Looks like
I do it.
Trim. You do it? Yeah. So you just trim them
Just
at
a couple.
home.
Yeah, there's a couple of them that seem to now, since I'm so old, get long.
Yeah, and they poke out.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
I know.
yeah, I cut them.
Yeah. It's the best way, I think.
Or I pull them out.
Yeah. If you need it, you can tell when you need the hair when they're tinted, but when they're just a grey or white, you think, oh, that can go. But when they're tinted, it's like, oh, yep, actually, that one, I should keep it, and just give it the chop, so to speak.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what colour, when you did the microblading, did you choose? Same kind of thing, medium colours?
Yeah, that's what I think that's what she did.
Yeah.
Yeah. It seems to be quite grey.
Yeah, they do fade.
I think they were grey from the start.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
so the colour wasn't...
I don't think they were that great.
Oh, you weren't happy, overly?
I mean, the thing is, you've still got to
You still
colour them and
Yeah.
I mean, so I don't really... It gave me a good shape to follow, though.
Yeah.
Because I tended to, always, draw them on.
Mm.
But I wasn't doing a good shape.
Right.
So now,
You've got
I
that,
follow
yeah,
that.
yeah. I think, depending, but I can't remember, but it's got to be like a year or two. I think you've got to get it redone.
Yeah.
So it does definitely fade, but how much it fades depends on, I suppose, the work. So pop your head this way for me just so I can show that one being done. Yeah, so I don't do microblading, but I've always been interested in it. And I did actually film Alex have it done. So, by Ping at the Beauty Zone. And it was really interesting, to be honest, most of the work was in the allergy testing, the waiting was in the allergy test and then come back and then the shape, the actual shape took ages to make sure.
Why did she have an allergy test?
Oh, that's what Ping does with everybody. Makes sure that no one's going to have a reaction to her dye. Yeah. So, it was... And then, the actual procedure, it didn't take long. numb and then just go?
Oh no, it was awful.
Were
It
you
was
numb?
so painful.
Was it?
Yeah, she numbed it, and like initially she gives it a little scratch,
Yeah.
but the first cuts
Oh.
when she does it is until because the numbing cream didn't really sink in,
Surface
and
level.
once the first few cuts get done, then it starts numbing up better. But oh god, the tears rolling down my face, and I just told her to keep going.
Yeah. It's a very sensitive area, that bone area, because when I do needling, if anything makes my nose go and my eyes, it's across because it's a roller, it's like needles. Makes, man, you feel that. So I can understand that one. But I suppose the level of how much you feel it would be how deep the blade is going, probably, as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
I don't know. It just was.
I don't.
And I could just hear the crunching.
Oh yeah.
And it just. Ugh.
Yeah. Would you do it again though? Like, would you get it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like when I had Botox and lip fillers.
Yeah. Did you have lip fillers?
Yeah.
And?
Oh, it was great, but
Was
oh
it?
my god, so painful.
Oh really?
Again, yeah. And I've got scar tissue here on this part of my lip.
From the filler?
No,
Just
when I was younger, from sores, cold sores and stuff.
And that actually hurts more, doesn't it?
So that was so painful.
Yeah. Oh, cool. I haven't met anyone that's had lip fillers. Well, nobody has told me. Well, one.
There's a little bit there, but it's mainly gone.
What does it feel like? Does it feel like you still got all the feeling, eh? You just...
Yeah, you just notice a little bit bulkier,
Yeah.
I think. And I had Botox at the same time.
Yeah.
So I put a bit of filler in there.
Hop this way again.
Sorry.
No, you're fine.
I actually put some filler here
Yeah.
to push up, because I've got a sad face.
Oh, yeah, you've got...
Just
they're called the Marinette lines or whatever
Oh,
it is?
I don't know.
The lines, is it?
Well, it's just my lip, when I resting face, I look
I
like
see
I'm
what you mean.
sad. But
Yeah. Yeah.
So they pushed it up a bit, and they put a bit of Botox across my top lip
Yeah.
to help with my wrinkles.
Yeah.
I could still feel it, still move.
Yeah,
But she said you'll feel numbness, and it was in the tip of my nose.
Wow.
It was really funny, yeah. Not like really numb, but just like this really soft numbness.
Oh, wow.
And that was from a mix of the Botox and the fillers.
Yeah.
But it affected, my nose.
And did you find it lasted more than 3 months? Or,
Oh,
fillers
yeah.
are
Yeah.
longer, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fillers are still
Like
a little
6
bit there.
months or a year? Or?
When did I have it done?
Trying
Well,
to
I've had
think
it done
what was it.
twice. I had it done last February
Yeah.
in Wellington.
Yeah.
And then I had it done in May, so a year ago
Yeah.
in Brisbane.
Right, and now you're saying you're feeling them wear off.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll need more Botox.
Yeah. If you had to choose fillers or Botox? The hard one.
But both.
Yeah, I was going to say, because I reckon it would be hard once you've had it to not have it.
Yeah, I'm noticing.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the Botox, she sort of went quite slap happy. Oh, I'm going to poke some here, poke some there, and I've got a little bit left, I'll chuck it up here, eh? And she just stab. But I really liked, she did such a good job.
I mean, you're paying for the units anyway.
Yeah.
So
She said, well,
if
we might as
you've
well
got
not waste
extra,
it.
Yep, get the forehead. Why not?
Well, she just did.
Wherever you can get it.
Where did I have it? Can't even remember.
Mm.
But she did put some right between my eyebrows on because I'm starting to
The
get an
evens?
angry lines.
Oh, yeah, I've got them.
I'd never had them before. But I did notice when it started wearing off there, oh my God, I need that done.
Yeah.
But Botox isn't expensive.
Not in
Really?
Australia. It is here. I think it's more expensive here.
It's the fillers that cost so much.
Yeah, yeah. Are they like double the amount of Botox? Or?
About that, yeah.
Yeah, but they do last longer than the Botox, I suppose, don't they? So I suppose there's that. But you can see why places like KC do payment plans. You know, the pay. You know, because if you've got to have it all the time, you just got to get it into your budget. And then you think when people get lashes and nails and hair, it all adds up, eh? Yeah. Can spend quite a bit on beauty. But I think people just find the thing that is the thing that they want the most, you know, as well,
Yeah.
that they're happy to spend that money on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you can always make your lips look fake.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true, yeah.
But you can't hide your wrinkles.
I'm going to give you a mirror. I want you to just check out this shape that I'm doing for the tinting. I think it's quite nice. Yeah?
I can't even see.
Oh.
It's alright, my eyes are blurry.
Is it alright?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's following the...
It's following what you've got.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have it any different yourself, or...?
Well, it's about that.
About that, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. And bear in mind, this is quite thick, so that's going to come off, and then it's going to be the hair and a little bit on the skin. So, yeah,
yep, that's
if you
great.
want it thin, I can take a little bit
no,
off
that's,
the edge.
that's fine.
That's okay?
Yeah, no,
yeah,
perfect.
definitely haven't done it outside of where I saw the microblading being done, so that's good. That's good. Yeah, cool. Right,
No,
we'll
that's
give it a little bit of time, and I'll check on that as we go. But I can already see it's actually what am I saying? Tinting the lighter here.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Excellent.
Cool. I can do a little bit of tweezing while we wait if you want.
If you see some randoms, go for it.
Because I'll give it time to tint, at least, you know, a few minutes. Get the best results. Yeah, I wanted to learn it at one stage, microblading. But it used to cost about $6,000 to learn it.
Oh, wow.
Does it now? I don't think it does now. But it's very on trend, eh? Everyone's doing it.
Yeah. I mean, it's got its pros and cons. I mean, really,
Yeah.
you know, like I said, you've still got to tint your eyebrows. You've still got to sort of do everything. It's. I think some people think it's just going to instantly make them look like they've got eyebrows, but it doesn't. Especially with the people like me with light, and half of it's white now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you use, like a pencil or powder?
A pencil. I just use a big chunky thing I've got. I love it.
Yeah.
And I just gently go over, and it just covers those white hairs and fills in the wee gaps.
Yeah. I suppose that's the thing though, eh, with tinting and everything like that. You're tinting the skin for a little bit, but at the end of the day, if there's no hair there, you know, if there's no hair there, you can't tint hair that isn't there. So that's where the microblading is good, because it gives you the look of there being hair there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's like, oh yeah.
I mean, when I was younger, I never plucked my eyebrows. I never did anything. But people used to say to me, and before I realised I should be tinting them and penciling them, you know, did I used to shave them off?
Yeah.
Because you couldn't see the blooming things.
You're like, no, I
never.
don't touch them. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. One of my brows basically has, like, you know, when people they tweeze too much in and it looks like an arch.
Yeah.
One of mine is doing that, and I hardly ever tweeze them, and I'm very aware of not doing that shape. But it's just where the hair's going.
Yeah.
And I look like I've overplucked them, and I'm like, oh, I just don't have much hair, so that's what's happened, you know?
Yeah.
So that's, for me, where I would be like, okay, I need something that's, you know, going to fill that gap in. That's good. We'll pop you this way a little bit. I'll just tidy up that side. Yes. See how that side's going. Yep, good. Yeah, that is a nice medium brown.
Good.
I don't think that's dark. You had a couple of darker ones that were still in there before, and I don't think they've gone like quite as dark as that. It's definitely like a nice natural shade. I like that. There we go. That's good. Thank you.